Hello friends, welcome to Deepika's recipes. Let's learn how to prepare a detox chutney. This is a very healthy recipe made up of Jawas or flax seeds. So let's get started. Dry roast 1 cup Jawas or flax seeds in a pan until it begins to get nice glaze. Roast the Jawas on medium flame. Now add 10 to 12 garlic pods, 2 tablespoons of white sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half cup roasted chana dal. Mix well. Add 3 to 4 black peppercorns, 15 to 20 curry leaves. Roast everything well together for about 3 to 4 minutes. Turn off the gas when nice aroma begins to release from the mixture. Transfer the mixture into a mixer jar and add 2 teaspoons red chili powder. Add salt to taste. Grind the mixture into a coarse chutney. If you want, you can also blend it into a fine powder. Flaxseedschutney or Javasachichutney is ready to be served. You can store this chutney in an airtight container for about a month. Javsachichutney is healthy and easy to make recipe. Try this recipe and enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe to Deepika's recipes. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye.